Well, we're at prep stage 2. We got a pretty good coating of blue on it. Blue is the base color. Everything else will be decorated red and white later. The lettering here is going to be white, of course, and down there is white. Lettering here, we're going to be red lettering for Pepsi and white. Not a bad primer coat. We're good. Colors coming out. I think it's going to look good. The cleanup of cleaning everything up and tightening everything up on this is going to be the hard part. Trying to get everything even. Getting the shine on it a little better. But as you see, I was very busy this morning. And I think it's time for me to call it a day. I've had all the fun I want to have. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Step 2.